Hello all, once again I'm back with our new collection, and today it's all about our pure silk Kora Banarasi. All of these sarees are going to be Silkmar certified sarees and nice solid color के ऊपर पूरा ये कोरा बनारसी है, आप देख सकते हैं. Very appropriate for any function, any get together, any festivities, even for office wear also you can definitely drape this kind of sarees. We have nice pretty colors. The one I'm draping is superly gorgeous. Apart from that, we do have all of these colors. Okay, so पूरे वीडियो को जरूर देखिए. We will post the video on our YouTube and on our Facebook channel. And अगर आपको किसी कारण से अगर पूरा वीडियो ना मिल पाए, do contact us on our this provided WhatsApp number. Our team will be more than happy to help you out. Okay, bye. And don't miss this video. It's a wonderful collection. Bye bye.